down art style, Raeart 2026. Well guys, who knows what we're gonna slap down today, but we're gonna give it a shot and get into the studio over here. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna use some green, emerald green. I'm getting low on some of these paints. Titanium white, folks. Liquitex soft body. We got this fancy roller. I'm gonna try it out. Thanks to my good friend Chris. Got some cool tools to try, guys. Zoomity zoom zoom zoom. I'm just gonna roll it in. Just dab it. Let's see what happens. Interesting. Let's take a 5-minute break and we'll come back and see what we can do next. Let it dry.